This is a good question. Who do I call about loud music or exhaust happening every early morning? Well, what's early? Because for me, early is early. But I can understand that. You wake up in the morning, the thumping, the music, the exhaust going on. Now, there is, depending on where you live, if you're on a public roadway, then hey, you can contact local law enforcement and kind of let them know the pattern. Maybe something could be done, their traffic unit come out or something like that. But if you live on private property, then you have to contact your HOA to give the local authority the permission to come out and enforce that bumping style kind of music. I understand there are some ordinances out there depending where you are, but when it comes to certain loud music, at the end of the day, it is Florida. So make sure you head over to clickorlando.com and you can check out the rest of that article. If you've got a traffic safety question you want me to answer it, head on over to clickorlando.com/AskTrooperSteve.